Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolutions for the Unarc Dll returned and error code 11 on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the Unarc Dll returned in error code 11 on your Windows computer, do not worry. We will walk you through two effective solutions to resolve this. First, we will re-register the Unarc Dll file. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Then, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to open an elevated Command Prompt window. In this window, type the following command, regs vr32 unarc.dll, and press Enter. This command will attempt to re-register the specified DLL file. If the file is already registered, you might receive a confirmation message indicating that. Our second solution involves running the System File Checker tool. Again, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and ensure you run it as administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the following command, sfc4/scannow, and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing files, which may resolve the Unarc Dll error. The final solution we will cover is using Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. In the Disk Cleanup utility, you will see various categories of files that can be deleted. Please check all of these boxes, every single one, to ensure a thorough cleanup. Once you have selected all the items, click on OK and then confirm by clicking on Delete Files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.